Hey guys, it's Troll over here at Desert Wind Harley-Davidson with a beautiful trade-in I wanted to tell you all about, so we're going to take a peek at it. We got a 2012 Street Glide. It's got the accessory lights on it. It's got a nice windshield on it. It's got some dual pipes on it, true duals. So they're good shape, stage 1 air cleaner. You can hear it rumbling. You got some Fast and Heinz pipes on the back. Check this out. Oh, you're going to love the sound of this one. We're going to turn it up here in a second. Gotta love that sound, don't you? Alright, let's go on over here. We're going to take a peek because you got some baby apes on it. Nice chrome. This thing only has 15,000 miles on it. If you're looking for a nice street glide that's not brand new, this could be the one for you. This one even has cruise control on it. Look right down there, we got cruise control. That'll help alleviate a little bit of that hand cramping. And who you're going to see when you come down to Desert Wind, you're going to see the Troll.